Precious! Welcome back to another daily vlog. In today's episode, I'm taking you along to the Pop-Up Kitchen, a communal event done monthly here in Seattle where we mix and mingle while eating delicious food. And as a small business owner, it's the perfect spot for networking and spreading the word about my business. I'll also take you behind the scenes of my pop-up shop prep and a product shoot for the new nails that just hit my website. So grab your snacks and let's dive into this vlog. So when I'm out and about in Seattle, girl in the town, I like to match my nails and my outfit just because I feel like, one, it looks great, and two, it's such a great conversation starter. People usually end up complimenting my outfit, which leads to a conversation about my nails, which then leads to a conversation about my business. It's the most natural way for me to talk about my business with people. I am trying to work on presenting myself as an entrepreneur more in the world and not just on the internet. So I find that it's the easiest way to talk about my business, and again, it's just natural and an easy conversation. I knew that I wanted to do the denim on denim nails once I found this denim fit. I think I got the fit from Fashion Nova. And it took me some time to mix the blues together to find the perfect shade of denim blue. And then after I did that, I went ahead and used a sponge to mess around with the white so that I could get that dimension that you see in denim, because of course denim isn't just one shade. There's a lot of dark areas and light areas. And then you see me adding some silver gems onto the set. I think I had like a silver belt on the skirt or on the top, so I wanted to use silver instead of gold so it could match. And then I also used another skirt and I cut some fringe off of it, and I think this is what made the set of nails. It made it super realistic and it added a nice 3D texture to it, which I loved. So once I added that and then the matte top coat, oh my gosh, the matte top coat is what made it. Oh my goodness, I know I said the denim fringe made it, but no, it was a matte top coat really, because I knew I was cooking when it was just a glossy top coat, but when I added the matte, yeah, I knew I did something. So I added the denim fringe on and then I cut some of the excess off and the set was done. I was so happy with the final outcome. The set was gorgeous. Today's pop-up kitchen day. I'm so excited. I love pop-up kitchen. My outfit eats, my nails eats, but what's new? I'm about to put on my nails. I'm rushing. I'm always late. My boyfriend's ready to go, so I need to really hurry up. I need to put on my lipstick too, or my lip gloss, but I can maybe do that. I can do that in the car. Let me not waste time. Boyfriend does photography for the pop-up kitchen, so he has to get there a little early. So that's why I'm rushing. I'm getting glue everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to freak out. I did these denim nails last night. I was from 12 to 7 o'clock in the morning. I was doing nails, and then these are so cute. I went to bed from like 7 to 11 a.m. I feel a little rejuvenated, but yeah. So anyways, let's talk about what we're doing today. So again, we're going to Pop-Up Kitchen and just gonna have a good time. I'm going with my friends. I'm excited. Hopefully I meet new people as well. And then at some point we'll do the raffle for my nails. So I'm excited to do my raffle. Once I'm done putting on my nails, I'll show you. Do you see this? Once I'm done putting on my nails, I'll show y'all the nails I did for the raffle. Are you here? Okay, I'm coming down. Bye. Oh my gosh, he hates me. This quick. This is my outfit. These are my nails. I'll definitely take a lot more videos of my nails at the pop-up kitchen. It is what it is, but I gotta go. So talk to y'all later. Bye. Hello. I currently have my pop-up table somewhat set up in my kitchen, and I'm gonna walk you guys through it and tell you where I got everything from and just why I got my thought process behind my design setup. I got a lot of the stuff from Amazon. Pretty much everything was Amazon and Etsy. I got my tablecloth from Amazon. It's an 8-foot tablecloth in light pink, and it's the perfect shade of pink. And then I got this banner. You guys saw me unbox this banner in my last video. I got it from Etsy. This right here is a QR code, and this is holding my business cards. And then I also have this sign. It's a like a circular business sign. All of these 3 things came from Etsy, and I actually wasn't 100% satisfied with the way the gradient was on this main sign. I just feel like it was a little too harsh. However, I talked to the seller. She was very sweet, and she's gonna make me a new one. But overall, I love it, and the lettering is so amazing. She got my font so perfectly. Oh my gosh. Here I have a pegboard. I got this from Amazon. And these horizontal placement cards that I have, I got these off of Moo. I made them in Canva and then used the website Moo to print them. And on the pegboard is where I'm putting my full sets, or any sets that go on a placement card. This set comes with 20 nails, so you don't need a sizing kit for these nails. You can just pick the nails that fit you and then toss the rest. So I have a couple colors up here. I went mainly with basic colors just because, you know, it's a lot easier, but I'm not done adding my nails to the pegboard. I have 2 pegboards, one on either side, just to help balance out the table. And then I have these acrylic stands down here. I have 3 of them. They'll each carry 9 nails, and I got these off Amazon as well. These down here are so cute. I don't really know what they're called, but I'll link them down below. I'm using these just to display my nail designs. These aren't for sale, it's just decoration, but I thought they were super cute and added a nice touch. That's basically everything. I'm so satisfied with the way everything came together. I was just kind of doing everything in my head and hoping everything looked good. And it honestly did. I'm just seeing it all come to life is beautiful. And this isn't even the final form yet. So I'm so excited to see what it's going to look like on Saturday. Right now, what I need to add are sizing kits. I'm probably going to have sizing kits spread out on the table somewhere so that customers can size their nails when they come to my table. And then I also want to add maybe some fake plants, or this is a 5-foot table, I think. Yeah, this table is 5 foot. The table that I'm gonna have is 8 feet. So I do have 3 feet to still work with. So I think this already looks perfect for 5 feet, and I want it to look filled but not cluttered. I still have a lot of extra stuff that I want to put on the table, but I'm definitely wary of it getting too cluttered. So there's a lot of things that won't be decided, obviously, until the day of the pop-up. But I think that's pretty much everything. So after this, I'm gonna start making my sizing kits and my application kits. I also need to make some cuticle oils because I'm gonna have those for sale if anyone wants to add those to their order. What else? And then I just need to finish up boxing up some nails. I've been pumping out nails like a damn horse these past couple of weeks. And I just have some last minute ones that I need to package up and then add them to my display. But overall, I feel like all the hard parts are done. I have a lot of nails made. My display looks nice. I feel like I have a grasp on what I'm doing. So fingers crossed that Saturday goes smoothly. Just one last look of this. She is so beautiful. I love her. Oh my gosh, so precious. You are exactly who you think you are. Wow. Okay. Let me stop playing. Let's get started. This Shopify POS system. This packaging is so fancy, so luxe. I love the black. So this is the charging case, or the charging port. I think this just uses a standard USB, so that's nice. This is the actual tap and chip. So this is like the charging dock for this, I believe. Here we go. Is it this way or is it like a book? Oh my gosh, there's so much tape on this damn thing. Ooh, how cute. Cute. This is so like, I wish it came in white though. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. So you have the charging port and then the block or whatever this is called, and I'm assuming you just why isn't it sliding in perfectly? Am I stupid? Why do I feel like I'm doing that wrong? Maybe if I looked at the instructions. So I was able to figure out the Shopify point of sale. It's currently charging back there. I'm gonna be using it with my iPad as like the main driver, I guess. But it's pretty much seamless. I think it's pretty much all set up to go. So after setting up my POS system, I moved into making my sizing kits. In my previous video, I received a question asking how I was able to figure out people's sizes during my pop-up shop. And what I ended up doing was create a sizing kit for every shape and length I offered. I displayed these kits on a pegboard and I named it my sizing station. I know previously I talked about using both pegboards to display my nails, but what I actually ended up doing during my pop-up was I used one pegboard for my nails and then another pegboard for my sizing station. It turned out to be a fun and interactive way for customers to determine their ideal sizes for press-on nails. Not only was it practical, but it also turned into a mini educational session. It was eye-opening for many who didn't realize that press-on nails came in different sizes. Once people found their sizes, shopping became super easy. I had nails available in small, medium, and large. And for those whose size wasn't immediately available, all they had to do was place an online order right there, and it was super easy because they already knew their measurements. This was also nice because my pop-up was at a festival, so a lot of people didn't even want to hold nails anyways. They really enjoyed having the option to have their nails shipped straight to their house. This streamlined the whole process, making it super quick and easy for everyone. If you make press-on nails and you're planning on doing a pop-up shop anytime soon, I highly recommend having a sizing station. Again, this was really interactive and it was something different. It wasn't just people shopping and finding a set of nails. It was a hands-on experience for your customers, which I feel like they really enjoyed. And again, it's super easy being able to place an order afterwards, whether it's them purchasing nails at your table or purchasing them online because again, they already have their sizes. So I really recommend making a sizing station. So we finally made it to the end of the day. I'm just doing a product shoot with my boyfriend because I was releasing some new nails onto my website. You can literally see that I'm so exhausted. Oh my gosh, I worked myself like a dog. My back was cracking like a grown man. Do you see the way I'm yawning? Yeah, exactly. But the shoot was really nice and simple. We didn't do anything too crazy. And I'm so grateful to Daniel for helping me do this super last minute. This was literally the night before. I think I went to bed at like 4 a.m. this night and then woke up at maybe 8 or 9 a.m. for my pop-up. So I was exhausted, y'all, but we made it work. We made it happen. And the nails turned out so beautiful. The photos were gorgeous. And everything is now live on my website. So if you want to shop some new press-on nails, visit my website, shopsoprecious.com. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!